कक्षा नवमी विषयः संस्कृतम्. Dear students, in the previous class we have already discussed the second kind of consonant joining, Vyanjana Sandhi, that is Monuswarah. And today's matter of discuss will be the second kind of Vyanjana Sandhi, that is Anatva Vidhanam. This one. अणत्व विधानम, यदि पूर्व पद में ऋ ऋ अर्थात ह्रस्व ऋ, दीर्घ ऋ, र या श इनमें से कोई भी वर्ण हो और उत्तर पद में अर्थात अगले शब्द में न आता है तो न का ण हो जाता है. If any of these letters ह्रस्व ऋ, दीर्घ ऋ, र and sh comes in the first word and na, that means dantya na, that lies in the next word, then the na turns into na, that means dantya na that gets turned into murdhanya na. Examples are there. First one is Rama, Ayanam, Ramayanam. Second one is Shurpa, Nakha, Shurpanakha. Ra is there in the first word of first example, and in the first word of the second example also there is a ra that lies between shu and pa, that is repha. And na lies in the next word in both the examples. In first example, na is there in the word ayanam, and in the second example the word starts with na. Then the na gets turned into na. In the first example the word should be Ramayanam, and because of ra the word becomes Ramayanam. And in the second example that should be Surpanakha, but due to ra that lies between shu and pa, the word becomes Shurpanakha instead of Surpanakha. Let us try to solve the examples. Rama, there is ra, and then ayanam. If ayanam joins directly Rama, then the word would become like this: Ramayanam. But because of this Ra, this Na, Dantya Na, that will be turned into Murdhanya Na. Then the word will be like this: Ramayanam. And then in the second example, Shurpa, then Nakha. Let us write the word directly. But we have to see that there is a Ra in the first word. This one is Ra. Its another name is Repha. And due to this Ra, this Repha, this Na will be turned into Ana, Murdhanya Na. Thus the word will be like this: Shurpanakha. So this much was the matter of today's discussion. The second kind of consonant joining, Anatva Vidhanam. Let me remind you the rule once more. If any of these letters R, Ra and Sa comes in the first word and Na lies in the next word, then Na, that means Dantya Na, gets turned into Murdhanya Na. And these are the examples where Na turns into Na. A few examples will also follow this lesson and you ought to solve them. Thank you. This much for today.